Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. As usual on Mondays, so performance on the end of the week was not really very significant, so mostly we need to take a look just on the intraday charts. So because on the daily, on the weekly chart we have the same thing. So market still stands around major resistance. Here we expect some response, at least technically. It is supposed that it should happen. So it's around 36 confidence resistance on the monthly chart and the weekly chart. And also take a look, market has completed here the XOP. So that's agreement resistance. And its normal behavior suggests that some respect of this level should happen because it's rather strong. Meantime, on a lower time frame, we have to adjust our patterns that we are watching right now. So first of all, on the daily chart, we still haven't got any Jod-Napoli patterns. So take a look, although the shape start looking like that some double repo or something of that sort, but we haven't seen no single close below the 3x3 in the whole in the period of the 2 weeks. Despite that, market tested the 3x3, even sometimes dropped significantly below it and opened below the 3x3, but in all these sessions market has closed above it. So here we do not have even the first close below the 3x3. Correspondingly, on the daily chart we see nothing to do by far, as we do not have any pattern. Despite that, we have the divergence here. You can see it's really nice with the MACD, but the pattern has not been formed yet, at least. So on a lower time frame, on the 4 time frame chart, you could see that market keeping these higher lows, it's moving upward direction, and it means that and currently it's actually taking some shape of the channel, something of that sort. So, and currently we need to take a look on lower time frame. So on hourly chart, if you remember, initially we talked about the hand and shoulders pattern, and it was looking like here. So we suggest that market could drop lower to the neckline, then start the hand shoulders, even if you consider some smaller pattern right there, right? So you can see that here we have some kind of the smaller pattern, so I do not need this butterfly. We'll remove it. So as you can see here, we also have some kind of the minor pattern, right? Even with this pattern, if you'll take a look at it, and at the first glance market has reached the neckline, you could see that the performance of this pattern is also not typical for the hand and shoulders, and especially with this high lows action on the 4 time frame chart and the hourly chart. It makes me think that it seems that we have to change the expected pattern, and like in the gold market, instead of the hand and shoulders, it's very probable that we could get some kind of the 3 drive. So in fact, it might be something like this. So here we have first drive, pullback, second drive, which is actually 149, but this major tops perfectly 127. Retracement to 127 has to be somewhere in this area, and if you measure the extension from the first swing, you could see that 1618 of the first swing will be very close. So that means that somewhere around 36.25, this will be the point where 3 drive might be completed. So this is the level that we currently could keep an eye on with this new pattern. If you'll take a look at the higher time frame on the weekly chart, as we said, so 36.22.25, it will be, well, very close to, mostly in the range of the confidence resistance. So the changing of the hand shoulders to the 3 drive, it's not really strategical change. So it's both of them are reversal patterns. But if you'll take a look at the other markets, for example, you could see what's going on in the dollar index. It just has collapsed, as we said, as discussed last week with all these grabbers. We said they're still valid and be prepared for this drop. It's collapsed. If we'll take a look at the 10-year yield, it's also dropping, it's moving lower, and this support some weakness in the dollar and led Bitcoin to feel a bit more freedom around current area and to mess around this level, forming some different patterns more extended to the upside. From that standpoint, it changed actually nothing in the longer term picture on the weekly and the daily, but it changed the picture on the hourly and the process of the possible response to the confidence resistance on the weekly chart. It will be not in the wave of the hand and shoulders, but it will be in the wave of the 3-5. But both patterns are preparing usually the reaction to the downside. So that's what we have currently on the crypto. Let's take a look and see what will happen.